Hi, I'm Kishna from KishnaTalk. Today I'm going to be talking about RRR, the not movie, the way that we can help Earth. So the R and the R and the R stand for these three words that all start with R. It is reduce, recycle, and reuse. So first going into the first R, reduced. So, for example, pretend you have so many toys, and then you're planning to buy another toy. Why do you want so many toys? Because to build toys, we pretend it's a wooden toy. We need to cut down trees. And so many trees out there getting chopped down is not a good thing for nature because trees create oxygen for us. So if we keep doing that, if we keep on being harmful to nature, in fact, humanity can get worse. So reuse is the most important out of all these three R's. And it is actually also kind of fun because when you're selling your toys to get rid of something, or maybe you're just gonna do something else with your toys, so you reduce it. Going on to the next R, that is recycle. Recycle is basically, you can see in its name, its meaning. It tells it in its name, recycle. It's going around and around in a cycle. So when you put a thing in a recycle bin, that can be any color, but it has to be one specific color for what you're putting into the recycle bin, and it'll just go around in a circle. So like the first one stage where all of that recycle is picked up. I can do another video about the recycling because it's actually a pretty big topic. I can't just explain it in this one already. It has topic, this video. So the colors mean this. A red bin means you see a plastic recycle bin. A green one means you see a glass recycle bin. A yellow one means you see a can recycle bin. And a blue one is paper. So if you have too many papers that came from your school, maybe you have this one from March, and this one from winter, and this one from April, just maybe put one. Maybe you can throw the rest into the paper one. Maybe you can hang it because it's so special to you. Or maybe it's just a scribble you got from art because you had to keep it home. You can definitely, but don't throw it to trash because they go to into landfills, and landfills are actually digged up from the earth, and that means some animal habitats could get destroyed, and there are already a lot of endangered species and some went extinct. And my favorite bird I really wanted to explore has went extinct probably somewhere, actually not pretty recently, probably long ago, not that long ago, somewhere in the 1900s, I guess, the dodo bird. It went extinct. I really wanted to explore South America just to see a dodo bird. I guess I have to switch it to another one. That's sad. Yeah. Sometimes when animals go extinct, it's going to be sad. And now, you can almost recycle anything. Some things are not recyclable, but still many things are recyclable because now even modern laptops can be recycled now. That's crazy. Yes, humans are coming up with these technology, and some technology is actually hurtful for the earth. That's why these three R's will help save earth. But the next R will be reuse. So when you reuse something, you use it over and over again. Maybe you loved a stuffed animal, you used it and you reused it, you reused it, you never took any other stuffies. So that actually might be a good thing because then you don't want so many stuffies. So, you know the plastic bags you take for shopping? Instead, put that away and replace it with a reusable bag. Instead, that reusable bag you can reuse over and over and over again instead of throwing away that plastic bag. Another example is composting. Composting is one of my favorites. So basically, these vegetable scraps you put into a compost bin, and then some composting happens with the composting animals, and then that turns into rich, neat soil that you can use to plant more vegetables and fruit that turn into more vegetables and fruit that you remove the peel that's not edible, and maybe it is edible like an apple's peel, but not all apple. Well, yes, every apple peel is edible, but if you don't want it, you just put it into the compost bin. Well, you just take it off. So that is all the 3 R's. I hope you can learn more. Make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. Bye bye, like and subscribe.